a woman that have done a lot for Haitian arts. And it's Toto Vicente, born in 1934 and till 1994. Toto Vicente was a comedian, a singer, an author, and also a compositor. And tonight we want to take this opportunity to thank you all for being here in the celebration of life of Toto Vicente. And if you can look around, you'll see what she was able to accomplish. However, we have here with us Milena Sandler, one of her daughters here, and also the director, the general director of the foundation, Fondation Haiti Jazz, and her daughter is right here. Although you're still trying to find your ways and you're trying to stay quiet, which I really appreciate for those of you that already do. But Milena will be such a wonderful person because she has lived with her wonderful mother. And also tonight, we are not just here to celebrate the life of Toto Vicente, but also support this great cause, the Fondation Haitian.
I take this because it's easier. My hand is not shaking the paper in my hand. It's easier like that. Thank you so much for being here tonight for this double expo. The link between those two exhibits is the Haiti Jazz Foundation, a non-profit organization that has been active in Haiti since 2007 and that we brought to life here in Miami this year in Florida. The foundation aims to encourage musical interaction between Haiti and its diaspora to serve as a platform for the diffusion, evolution, and promotion of Creole jazz, to promote the annual Port-au-Prince International Jazz Festival, which we have brought you some pictures by a young photographer called Josué Azor. We're very proud of him. I hope you enjoy the pictures. The Haiti Jazz Foundation's activities are also very much around the preservation of Haiti's musical heritage and culture. You may have seen the coffee table book that we have published a year ago called Les Grandes Dames de la Musique Haïtienne, thanks to a grant from the European Union. And our latest project is a tribute to Toto Vicente. Why Toto Vicente? Not only because it's my mother, but because we felt it was time to tell her story, time for the younger generation to get to know her, all that she has done, whether in music or as an actress in France, Haiti, the Caribbean, in Africa, Indian Ocean, in the US, and in Canada. She passed away in 1994 in Haiti, 20 years ago this year, where she had returned in 1986 with hopes to be part of its reconstruction and to see it blooming. But unfortunately, it didn't really work out like that. The iPad right here has testimonials about her coming back to Haiti, but the two other iPads are about her as a singer and her as a stage actress. Before being able to do a documentary on her life, we felt it was a good start to ask people that knew her to tell us about what they thought of her, members of her family. Unfortunately, we were not able at the time to gather so many interviews, but we still have time to do that. And also from her peers and friends in Paris, in Martinique, and in Haiti. Fortunately for us, we have preserved a lot of photos, which some are here. And please understand that it's a traveling expo, and this explains the light format that we chose. They're not framed because they need to travel. They'll be going to Paris, to Martinique, and in Haiti, Lupana, the museum, the National Museum in Haiti, in December for a month. And then I'll go to New York and Montreal. Now, for those who don't know Toto Vicente, I hope that this expo will give you an idea of her work, her personality, and if you purchase Les Grandes Dames de la Musique Haïtienne, which is for sale there with Coralie, you'll see that she's one of the 37 great Haitian ladies that we have acknowledged in the book. Je tiens à remercier personnellement la Green Family Foundation pour son soutien à cet hommage, Air France, même s'ils sont en grève et qu'on ne sait pas si on pourra repartir chez nous lundi, l'Alliance française du Cap haïtien, Canal Sat, qui nous a donné les iPads, Thérèse et Victor Châtelain, mon oncle et ma tante, qui nous ont aidés pour ce projet, mon cousin Philippe Victor et sa femme qui ont fait le déplacement, ma sœur Soukaina, et mon oncle Gérard qui vit trop loin pour être avec nous, mon frère Dimitri Sangler qui a filmé les témoins à Paris, Rémi Crépeau qui a fait les montages, Mireille Charles, Léonie Hermantin, Gypsy Métellus, Sonja Wibayer, Marie Spénette qui nous accueille chez elle. Now Joël will tell you all about this in a bit, but I wanted to mention that Haiti Jazz Foundation is a tiny team. You've seen the whole team, which is Joël, myself, and Coralie that you saw in the front. She's a great assistant, and thank you, Coralie. Bringing this to Miami hasn't been easy. You can imagine going to another country where you have the malls, but you've never done an event, and doing this, we wanted to thank Sandy here at the Cultural Center with her help. And so it hasn't been easy. It has costed a lot of money, as you can imagine, and we encourage you to encourage us to continue doing this kind of activities that create positive awareness about Haiti and that will help preserve our cultural heritage. Thank you in advance.
Also, one of the members, and we've all known Joël Riedmayer, and Coralie told me before we continue to let you know, for those of you that are here, thanks again for being here, but remember to sign up and also put your information on there so the Jazz Foundation, the Haiti Jazz Foundation, can continue contacting you, and also you can get some information and also download some songs on www.lacancielmusique.net, www.lacancielmusique.net, and there you can find some Haitian Creole songs, jazz songs, and the musique traditionnelle of Haitian descent. It's www.lacancielmusique.net. And now we have Joël Riedmayer. Thank you.
See? Usually when I get on stage, I don't talk. I sing and I play the drums and I play the congas, so it's kind of difficult for me to do that here tonight. But I'm going to try anyway. Okay, I'm going to try to talk to you about the Port-au-Prince International Jazz Festival. In a few words, but I don't try to keep you long. The Port-au-Prince International Jazz Festival exists since 2007. We have come a long way, a very long way, and now we're heading to our 9th edition in January. It's January 17 to 24th. This festival is next year. And this festival is 8 days of music. It's 10 countries, international countries like Belgium, Canada, Chile, France, Germany, Mexico, Spain, Switzerland, United States of America, and some new countries who wants to come to the festivals. First to be part of it is Panama and Argentina, and of course Haiti as a diaspora of Haiti, who is part of this festival. We are on 7 different venues, which makes it all Port-au-Prince participate in the festival, and Pétionville also. We are at least 30 concerts for the whole week, for the 8 days, 30 concerts, that's a lot. And over 16 free workshops hosted by the foreign artists for young Haitian jazz players, which is great. And all the 30 concerts, only 3 days are paid concert and not very expensive, like something like $20. You can see like three concerts a night, it's $20, which is not a lot. If you had a chance to listen to all those people talking, the artists and the people that came to the jazz festival, they will do a better job than what I'm doing here, try to convince you this is a great festival. And the artists, I think they're the best ambassadors of the Port-au-Prince International Jazz Festival, but their experience at the festival is great. They're just telling you about what the experience was at the time, and I think all of them had a good time and a great time. And that's what we try to do at this festival, try to keep the bar very high, like any other festival in the world. Not to say, no, this is Haiti, no. This is Port-au-Prince International Jazz Festival. It's like any other festival in the world. We're going to keep the bar very high, and that's what we're going to do. And thank you. So let's do that. We need to be better. We know we can get better. We have to get better, to have better videos, better sound, better stage decor and all that at the festival. It's very important to us so we can bring a better image of this festival. And we cannot do that without you. Our goal is we aim at making this festival the best Creole jazz and international jazz festival of the Caribbean. That's what we're looking at. That's what we're aiming at. And we have to do it with you. You have to help us doing this. Please. This is the time to pledge to help us make the festival better, bigger. And we are on Facebook, we have a site. There's a little button that I love the name, it says donate. This is great words, donate. So please, help us get bigger, help us bring Haiti on the map, bring this festival on the map. That's all. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Haiti Jazz Conference. And for those of you that are here, it is important to know that if you are donating, that is, when you are donating for their 501c3, they can definitely receive funds from Sunlight. So please make your checks out to Sunlight. And Koran, you will be more than happy to receive your checks. And one more thing is that tomorrow you'll be able to enjoy the Festival International Jazz de Port-au-Prince right here at the Little Haiti Cultural Center. And remember to bring a friend because it's more fun when you bring someone along. The person that is talking really loud in the back, I'm sure he's going to donate a lot of money tonight because our goal here tonight is to raise funds. And thank you very much for all your support. And remember that you can download songs on www.laconciennemusique.net. It's pour nous qui parlent créole, nous capables de download musique sur www.laconciennemusique.net. Et ambiance n'a pas fini parce que à soir, nous avons célébré la vie Toto Bissette, qui était une femme extraordinaire dans l'histoire de la musique. Et songez que Toto Bissette était une femme qui était tracée au plan pour plusieurs femmes, je ne dis. Et nous sommes capables d'acheter des livres, nous sommes capables d'acheter CD, et en même temps, nous sommes capables de contribuer dans la Fondation Jazz, Haiti Jazz Foundation. Et Et songez, nous avons fait chèque pour nous faire chèque là, sous nom centre là. Toto Vicente, une femme extraordinaire, de 1900. Milena, oubliez date de naissance maman. 1934 à 1994. Toto Vicente était une comédienne, chanteuse, auteure et compositrice. Alors pour nous toutes qui aiment la musique haïtienne, c'était que nous entendons comme ça, nous regardons des vidéos et nous sommes capables de voir l'image dans tout ce temps à Soya. Et songez, le but qui fait que nous rencontrons là à Soya, c'est pour nous capables de faire un relevé de fonds, pour capable supporter Haiti Jazz Foundation. Et songez